right, so this is the second problem. So we're just going to follow the same procedure that we did in the last one. We know that we have x minus 2 over here. What do we need to multiply by x minus 2 in order to get 3x to the 5th? We need to multiply by 3x to the 4th. So 3x to the 4th will give us times x minus 2 will give us 3x to the 5th minus 6x to the 4th. So I'm just going to go ahead and write that this time. 3x to the 4th. So we have 3x to the 5th minus 6x to the 4th. So we're going to subtract that from the above number, and we end up with 4x to the 4th. I'll bring this other x, this x squared down. We'll do the same thing. So what can we multiply by this in order to get 4x? We're going to have to do 4x to the 3rd. So that's going to be plus 4x to the 3rd. So we'll end up with 4x to the 4th minus 8x to the 3rd. 4x to the 4th minus 8x to the 3rd. Did I miswrite something? Nope. Well. Okay. Oh well. So you have minus this and plus this, so you end up with 0 on that side, and then we end up with 8x to the 3rd plus x squared. So we're going to do the same thing. This time it's going to be 8x squared. 8x to the 3rd minus 16x squared. Get that? So did I write down? Yep. So this time it's going to be plus 8x squared. Yep. So we end up with 8x to the 3rd minus 16x squared. So this is minus, this is plus, so we end up with 17x squared. And the next thing is going to be 4x. So what do we need to multiply by x squared? Maybe I should do this down. Maybe I should go down a little bit. Or go over here. X minus 2. We're going to multiply 17x. So we're going to end up with 17x squared minus, I think that's 34x. So 17x squared minus 34x. So minus plus. So we know that this is just going to be 30x. And let's see, we're going to bring down 12. Plus 12. So I did 17x. So this is plus 17x. And now we need to do this again. X minus 2. We need to multiply this by 30. So 30x minus 60. So 30x minus 60. I did just write 3x. Those subtract. So this is 72. So I need to put my 30 up here plus 30. And so now this time we actually have a remainder. So we're going to have to write this properly. So I think the last time I didn't necessarily write the end result, but I'm going to go ahead and write it on. Let me go back to the other one right now. So, I did. There was no remainder. That's why I just left it as x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. This time, we're going to have 3x to the 4th plus 4x to the third plus 8x squared plus 17x plus 30. And we have 72 here, so it's positive. So there's going to be plus 72 over x minus 2. It's exactly like we do long division. It's just the same way. All right. So when I say plus, it's actually right next to this. Okay.